In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get live stock prices directly in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to keep track of your investments or stay updated with market trends without constantly switching tabs or apps, this tutorial will make that process a breeze using Google Sheets' built-in features. To start, open up Google Sheets on your computer. Once you're in your spreadsheet, the first thing you'll need to do is select the cell where you want the live stock price to appear. It could be any cell of your choice, perhaps near the top of the sheet if you want it to be easily accessible. Picking the right spot allows you to tailor the sheet to your preferences, giving it a personal touch. Now, let's dive into the magic command that makes all of this possible, the Google Finance function. In the selected cell, you'll type an equals sign, which is your way of signaling to Google Sheets that you're about to enter a function. Immediately following this, type Google Finance without any spaces. This is the key function we use to fetch data from Google's financial database. After typing Google Finance, you'll need to open a parenthesis. Opening this parenthesis sets the stage for entering the specific details of the stock you're interested in. Once you have that open parenthesis, the next step is crucial. You'll add 2 quotation marks. These quotation marks are meant to encapsulate the stock ticker symbol of the company you're interested in. Stock ticker symbols are unique identifiers for publicly traded shares of companies, so having the correct ticker is important. For example, let's use Google's stock as our case study since it's quite popular. Google's stock ticker is Google. You'll type GOOGL between the quotation marks. This is how Google Sheets will know which specific stock's price you wish to retrieve. It's a good idea to double-check the ticker symbol on a finance website, or the company's profile if you're unsure, as accuracy is key here. Once you have that set up, you simply close the parenthesis. At this point, your function should look something like this. Equals Google Finance, open parenthesis, quotation mark, Google, close quotation mark, close parenthesis. Now, with everything in place, go ahead and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will execute the function. And there you have it. Within moments, the live stock price of Google or any company you selected should appear in the cell you designated. This is an efficient way to keep your financial data updated in real time without any extra effort. Remember, you can replicate this for any number of stocks just by repeating these steps and changing the ticker symbols accordingly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps streamline your stock tracking tasks in Google Sheets.